uses proven technology to remove dirt, dust and allergens from every surface of your home. With easy access to superior attachments, the power nozzle with a revolving brush deep cleans your carpets and easily glides under furniture. The 10-inch floor brush safely cleans hardwood, tile and other hard surfaces. The crevice tool gets into those hard-to-reach places like stairs and in between couch cushions. The dusting brush gently removes dust from furniture, lampshades and anywhere dust settles. The upholstery brush lifts dirt from furniture, mattresses and drapery. The majestic bagless cyclonic action pulls dirt from your home and into the microbe's pollution container. Don't just clean your home, transform it. And you and your family will breathe easy and live better with the Majestic.